Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how you can change location on iPhone. So for that, go to App Store. From here, go to your profile. From here, go to your profile and over here you can see country and region. So tap on this and from here you will see so many options, so many country. So yeah, from here you can choose any country that you want to set as your location. So yeah, this is how you can set your location, change your location on iPhone. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.